Hey everyone, I'm Erica and welcome back to the channel. If you're fighting cold winters, hot summers, or polluted air with harmful nitrogen oxides from traffic or cooking, then get excited because today we're reviewing the Dyson Purifier Hot+Cool HP2 De-NOx. This 3-in-1 device heats, cools, and purifies with De-NOx technology to neutralize NO2, HEPA H13 filtration to capture 99.95% of ultrafine particles, a bladeless fan for safe airflow, auto mode with sensors for smart adjustment, 350-degree oscillation for whole room coverage, night mode for quiet operation, and app control for remote monitoring. Grab it on Amazon through the link in the description, and trust me, if you want a purifier that's versatile for year-round comfort in rooms up to 800 square feet, effective against urban pollutants, and stylish for any home, this is the one that'll balance your environment. Most importantly, click the referral link in the video description to get yours. Let's break down the features on the Dyson Purifier Hot+Cool HP2 De-NOx. This tower has a slim, modern design in white or silver that's elegant and space-saving with no blades for safety around kids and pets. The filtration is multi-stage, a pre-filter for larger debris, sealed HEPA H13 for dust, pollen, bacteria, and particles down to 0.1 microns, activated carbon for odors and gases, and De-NOx catalytic filter to convert nitrogen oxides into harmless substances without replacement. Sensors monitor PM 2.5, PM 10, VOCs, NO2, temperature, and humidity in real time, showing data on the LCD or My Dyson app. Auto mode detects issues and adjusts purification, heating to 99 degrees Fahrenheit or cooling fan speed from 1 to 10, then optimizes for efficiency. The air multiplier tech projects heated or cooled purified air up to 33 feet with 350-degree oscillation for even distribution. Backward airflow purifies without breeze, and night mode runs quietly at 40 decibels with dimmed lights. Connectivity includes Wi-Fi for app control to schedule, track, or use voice with Alexa, Siri, or Google. It's energy efficient with filters lasting up to a year, and setup is quick. Plug in, connect to app, and it's ready. Priced around $500, it's built to last with a 2-year warranty. Now, pros and cons to keep it balanced. The pros are balanced bliss, powerful De-NOx and HEPA filtration that tackles nitrogen oxides and particles for healthier air, year-round heating and cooling without multiple devices, smart sensors and auto mode for hands-free comfort, wide 350-degree oscillation for even room coverage, app and voice control for ease, and a safe, stylish design that fits anywhere. Users rave about balanced temperatures, cleaner air reducing allergies, and how it's quiet for everyday use. On the con side, the price is premium for basic needs. Filter replacements add cost though. Durable. Oscillation is powerful, but fan speed max might feel strong. And no humidification for dry climates. A few note, the app can be glitchy on weaker Wi-Fi, but overall, the pros dominate for versatile purification. My recommendation? Absolutely. Go for the Dyson Purifier Hot+Cool HP2 De-NOx if you need all-season comfort and the pros like pollutant control, quiet operation, and smart features make sense for you. It's perfect for living rooms, bedrooms, or anyone wanting balanced air at home. Before we wrap, if these reviews balance your space, hit subscribe for more gear guides. And click that affiliate link in the description. It supports the channel and scores you the current deal. Finally, use the link below for the best pricing and special promotional pricing from Rick's Review Hub. Thanks a bunch for watching. If this helped, give it a like, share with a friend who needs balanced air, or subscribe for more. See you next time.